the hell? My head hurts. I've been trying for so long to sing you the right songs, different every day. Oh, what the fuck is... What the fuck is going on?
$84 and new stuff, like the new and the new hair.
What?
Switch to COM 1 if you're in the new.
No. You're not taking me away. You're not taking me away. Fuck this. No, I'm not going to the new update. No, you can't make me. No.
Come back.
The world is collapsing.
Sure. Oh, I see it.
I must.
Yeah, can somebody come to that little skinwalker?
Goodbye.
Coming down to the...
Goodbye. This is my feet. Well, I'll never see this map again. I don't care. What the? I'm locked in a private server, but I don't care. What? Where am I? Dog. Ay. It's hot as fuck. Ay, shit. Hey, it's fucking spicy shit, bro. I think I went over the dam. Maybe that's where maybe this is all the radiation finally being exposed. This river has been poisonous for as long as I can remember. My fucking stupid ass boundary. Wait, I didn't even say anything racist. No, that's... I've been a parkour master of this game since day one. I don't need any rockets. Oh, I hate climbing the dam. Is that cargo ship? Yes. No smoke. I'm lagging real badly, but you guys won't see that because I see laggy, you guys don't. I will get I will get to the top of the dam. What the? It's all fake? I don't care. Get me up. I don't think you were supposed to do this. Fuck it. I'm gonna kill myself. Wait, this doesn't kill me? The water's been separated from the poison? Yo, the water's been separated from the poison. I'm changing my... I need to change my boundary. What the fuck is this shit, bro? Honestly, I'm about to unprivate myself. Like, I'm about to get rid of the private. Bro, let's go. Kill kill me. Cause I'm not doing this, bro. To him. What is? Is this revenge that I'm seeking? Seeking someone to avenge? Shut the fuck up. No. Nah, I'm going back. I don't care if the simulation's corrupted. I'm going back. Nah, we're now in the white void. This isn't anywhere on Earth. The sewers now? No! All my memories. Is this forced? Where is this? Hey, at least there are no more mines. God damn it. I need to find a key. Give me a key. Anything new? Yes. I bet I do need to respawn and turn back to normal. What the fuck? Something over here. Ew. I hate this new update, bro. This place is disgusting. They said there was a new skinwalker. Bro, I ain't afraid of shit. Let's go, bomb. Hey, dummy. Fuck you. Fuck you. LeBron James. I cannot see jack shit. Sewers. This is not. Yo, Mimic, let's do it, man. Get that. Ow. Wait, you know that hurt, Mimic. Yo, like Mimic, leave me the hell alone. Yo, he's gonna jack me up. Nothing in this game can kill me. Maybe him. Pipe. I need a flashlight. Man, there's no damn skinwalker. What skinwalker could they be talking? Skinwalker. I need to think. What? Bold gold, old pack. No! That's not the old hand. Original. These are not the original gorilla hands. They're not. What is this? Flat duck. Scurvy bricks. Matthew Pitstar. This is. Nah, I'm about to load up an old update. Swear, so you guys can see. Shut the fuck. Teleport arrow. Okay. But drill. Man, I can't. What the hell? Okay, so I need 4 and 5. But They removed it. I can't. I need to disappear. Force? I'm about to like clip myself out of this map, bro. Cause there were a little bit of cheeky areas. Sing you the right song. Feels different. This is not the anglerfish cave. Bald gold grenade, Granada di Cabay. Well, I need that, but it's not. Animal Company, if I point that out to you, you better give me my that shit for free. Everything looks intact. Great. Wait, new duplication glitch with every update, so they might have unfixed the stash one. This is new water. Nope, it's ice. This is ice, not water. I'm blowing back. Dude. Stupid radiation reactor. I don't know what that is, or where to find it. I need to find that before the video can end. in mines. Well, I'm gonna suit up. When does this leave? I'm not gonna be able to get that though. Those are not the OG hands. What are these, bro? These are not the OG hands. I never. Ew. Ew. Okay, so we have the original gorilla hands, but I swear, if they're bendable, I've been trying. No.
You can pause that and go watch out.